Hello children, now in this video we will understand about exercise 3.1. First question it is, how many diagonals does each of the following have? So the convex quadrilateral has how many number of diagonals? So first what we will do, we will draw a shape quadrilateral and then we will place the names A, B, C, D and we will join the opposite vertices. Now see children, here AC is the first diagonal, BD is the second diagonal. So how many number of diagonals the quadrilateral is having? 2 diagonals. Next it is a regular hexagon. Now regular hexagon, it has 9 diagonals. See children, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, 6 vertices, 6 sides and 6 angles. So it is a hexagon. Now when you join the opposite vertices with A, with B, with C, D, E and F, you will get how many number of diagonals? You will get 9 diagonals. Now next question was, how many number of diagonals that a triangle is having? So the triangle does not have any diagonal. Understood children? Now coming to the next question. It is, find the angle, measure x in the following figures. Now first figure it is given. See children, first you can observe the figure and count the number of sides. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides are only given. Then name them. It will be A, B, C and D. After that you have to find the value of x. See here, x is the interior angle and other values are also the interior angles only. So what you will do, you will add all the angles. Okay. So if I add angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, it will be equal to 360 degree. Why? Because children, see, when you add 4 angles, okay, in a it will be a first of all quadrilateral and sum of all the angles, interior angles of a quadrilateral, it is 360 degree. So add 50, 130 degree, 120 degree and x. It will be equal to 360 degree. When you add 50 degree, 130 degree, 120 degree, it is 300 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. So x will be equal to 360 minus 300, which is x is equals to 60 degree. Understood children this first question? Now coming to the second question. In second question also you have to find the value of x. Other values are given. For finding x, here as the number of sides are 4, you need 3 angles, right, to find the 4th angle. But here only 2 angles are given and 2 are unknown. But see here children, this is 90 degree. So another one interior angle will also be 90 degree by linear pair. So the first step will be what? It is here 90 degree, exterior angle is 90, interior angle, when you add 90 degree plus the interior angle, that is A, that will be equal to 180 degree as it is forming a linear pair. So answer of A will be also 90 degree. Now for finding the 4th angle, you already have now 3 angles. You can easily find. Now it is a quadrilateral. So sum of all interior angles of quadrilateral, it is 360 degree. So when you add 60, 70, x and 90, it is equal to 360. So answer of these angles, it is 220 degree. Plus x is equals to 360 degree. So x is equals to 360 minus 220, which is equals to 140 degree. Now we will move towards our next question. See children, in this question, it is clearly seen when we are calculating, when we are counting the number of sides, it is not a quadrilateral. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is what? A pentagon. So the pentagon having the sum of all interior angles, it is not 360 degree, it is 540 degree. Okay, so don't make mistake when you are writing the sum of all interior angles of any polygon. Now children, here you have to find the value of x. there are 2x. Both the values are same, as both the letters are same only, right? Here A and B are also not given, but the exterior angles are given. So how you can find the interior angle? By using the linear pair here, as they are forming linear pair, so it will be what? 70 plus A is equals to 180 degree. So A will be equal to 180 minus 70, which is equals to 110. Next it is, you have to find the value of B. So how you can find the value of B? Exterior angle is 60, interior angle is B. When you add 60 and B, you will get the answer as 180 degree, as it is forming a linear pair. So it is B is equals to 120 degree. Now children, you have the value of A, you have the value of B, you have 30 degree. Then what you will do? You want to find the value of X. Write all the things in the given line as it is seen here. 120, 110 plus 30 plus X is equals to 540 degree. So what will be the answer? 260 plus 2x equal to 540. 260 goes to the right side, so it will be subtracted. Answer is 280 degree. X will be equal to 280 degree divided by 2, which is equals to 140 degree. Understood children? Now we will move towards our next question. The next question is, see here, it is a regular pentagon. Now why I told it is regular pentagon? See, the two lines here represents that all the sides are equal. When all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal, why? Because only one you have to find. This represents that if this is x, other are also x only. So it is a regular pentagon. When number of sides are 5, that time it is pentagon. So when all the sides, all the angles are equal and the sides are 5, so we will say this shape it is regular pentagon. Now you know very well sum of all interior angles of pentagon is equals to 540 degree. So here it will be what? X plus X plus X plus X plus X is equals to 540 degree. Now how many X are there? There are 5X. 5 into x equal to 540 degree. Now 5 is in multiplication with x, so x is equals to 540 degree divided by 5, which is equals to 108 degree. Now we will move towards our next question, that is question number 7. Now observe the figure properly. Here you have to find the value of x, y and z. All these angles are exterior angles. So how you can find it out? Two interior angles are given. Can you find the third interior angle? Yes, as the angle sum property says, when you add all the interior angles, it will be equal to 180 degree. So 90 degree plus 30 degree. Let's suppose this is A is equals to 180 degree. So it will be 120 degree plus A is equals to 180 degree, A is equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree. So it will be equal to what? 60 degree. Okay, so this angle is 60 degree. Now children see, x, y and z, these are forming linear pair with the interior angles, right? So here children see, x plus 90 is equals to 180. So what will be the value of x? X will be 90 degree. Now if you want to find the value of z, it will be what? Z plus 30 is equals to 180 degree. So value of z is equals to 150 degree by subtracting 180 and 30 degree. Now next, if you want to find the value of y, what you will do? Y plus 60 is equals to 180 degree. This is also forming a linear pair. So what will be the answer? Y is equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree. So answer is 120 degree. Understood children? Now coming towards our next question, that is question number 2 of question 7 only. See children, whenever the shapes are given, what I told? First count the number of sides. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 number of sides are there, so it is a quadrilateral. you want to find the value of x, y, z and w. Okay, all are exterior angles. Interior angles are already given, that is 60 degree, 80 degree, 120 degree, but this angle is not given. So how you can find the fourth interior angle? You know very well, when you add all the angles in a quadrilateral, it will be equal to 360 degree. So first step is, what you will do? A plus 60 plus 80 plus 120 equal to 360 degree. When you add 60, 80 and 120, it is 260 degree. So A is equals to 360 minus 260, which is A equal to 100 degree. Now you got the fourth angle also. So by linear pair you can find all the exterior angles. So x value will be what? X plus 120 is equals to 180, value of x is 60 degree. Same way, what will be the value of y? It will be y is equals to 100 degree, as interior angle is 80 degree. Next, z plus 60 equal to 180, so z is equals to 120 degree. Next, w, how you can find? W plus 100 degree is equals to 180, so w is equals to 80 degree. Now one more question it is asked in this question. It is saying that when you add x plus y plus z plus w, then what is the answer? So when you add all these angles x, y, z and w, you will definitely get the answer as 360 degree. In the previous video also I have told you that when you add all the exterior angles, then the answer will be 360 degree only. Now in the next video we will learn about different other kind of topics that is related to this chapter, finding the number of sides, number of exterior angles, each exterior angle. That topics we will understand in our next video.